Well, good morning guys. So we have another brownout from the island of Guimaras. Remember a few weeks ago when the Philippines was hit by typhoon Igay? Well, there's another typhoon. It hasn't directly hit us, but it's created a low pressure system with very heavy rain, which has been hitting the island of Guimaras for the last 24 hours now. And so last night the power went out at 6 p.m. Came back briefly for about 45 minutes at about 8 o'clock and then went off at about 8:45. And so we've been without power ever since. So in this vlog I kind of want to give you a glimpse of how to live during the brownouts. What can you do to keep yourself going? What can you do for food? What can you do for water? I think in the last brownout vlog that we spoke about, I just showed you how to, I just talked about the brownout experience, but this time we've actually, we're indoors here because the rain is so heavy. I mean, I've been out and about filling the buckets of water, using the rainwater. I mean, if you just look over there, the water is coming off the roof, and we're able to use that. When the rain is heavy, we use that, we put the bucket under it and refill it. So the buckets are in our house now because they're full, but we might have an opportunity to refill the water again. And obviously we have the well as well, but we're okay with cooking at the moment because we bought gas butane, and we have three wise men here as well. You want to say hello, guys? So we have some refugees in the house. Now we were meant to go for a jog this morning, a group of us, but they stayed in our house last night, and then the brownout came, and then it's just been raining ever since. So the jogging was cancelled, wasn't it? No more jogging. No jogging guys. So if the weather was different we would probably go for a jog, but no jogging today. So let's see. So we've had our morning coffee, haven't we? Yeah. We're still able to have coffee. We have a gas powered stove right here, which we're able to heat up the water and then do some cooking as well. So Tina's just making garlic rice there. We've got the scrambled egg there, and we've got eggplant there, and it's very dark in here, isn't it, guys? Very dark. Yeah. Very dark. Yeah, because it's run out. Yeah. But we have our power banks. We've been able to charge our torches and our phones and our battery operated fan as well, which also has a built-in light on it. So we're not doing too bad, and I don't think we'll starve as well. We'll not starve because we've got the food cooked, so it should be okay. But yeah, so it's just a different experience. I mean, I was in the process of uploading a vlog last night, and then all of a sudden the power went down, and it's like, oh, here we go again. So yeah, we're not flooded like last time, which is good because the river's not blocked so by the falling tree. So I don't know, but it's a bit of a nuisance, the brownout. It is what it is, guys. So yeah, guys, we are now going to eat. So we've got garlic rice, and eggplant, and then we've got the nice bicycle light up there to give us some light, so that is good. And we'll check in with you later and let you know how the day's progressing with the brownout. So see you later, guys. Just playing chess here, guys, and I think my queen might be in trouble. I'm white and Andrew is black. Anyway, I'll focus on the game and let you know how it goes. Well, guys, we now have power again, don't we? So we're back in business, and we're just still playing chess. And the power came on when we were playing chess, so it is good. We are happy, so we're just refilling the water just in case. the brownout happens again, which it probably will because the weather is still bad. So, but yeah, it's pretty good. So guys, I have three wise men still in this house, three refugees enjoying life on their phones now that the electricity's back. They can play their games. So three refugees enjoying shelter, enjoying food, and enjoying company with us.
Refugees from where?
From Sibario, from this village. But it's good company though, and passes the time. What else is there to do on a day like this? There isn't much you can be doing outside anyway. It's just, yeah. Yeah, so these refugees, they didn't enter our house illegally. They didn't come over on any illegal transport. They were invited in. And they're enjoying their time here. I don't know if you heard that thunder or not, but it was quite loud. Do you hear it? Do you hear it, guys? Thunder, yeah. Thunder.
Your bike.
My bike, yeah. Your bike as well. What do you think?
Our full mattress.
Oh. Someone's left their laundry on the line, guys. It's not ours. Yeah. Mad. Well guys, here we are. Yep. Here we are again. Another flood in our province house. Well, it hasn't entered the house yet, but it's coming in off the field, and oh my goodness, it is everywhere. We are having trouble again. I remember a commenter before saying that's what happens when you live right next to a rice field. I guess it is what happens, yeah, exactly. But this is it. The rain is pretty gloomy, pretty bad, pretty heavy. Just look at that. Coming in off the field. Sun. Yeah, this is bad. It is just like last time. There's the buckets there collecting the water. I'm not even sure if the river's blocked yet, guys, but yeah. As I went on my travels to buy food, I noticed how the path had turned into a rushing torrent of water. Look at this, guys. That's crazy. I mean, I have to go out and get food. Crazy, 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 crazy things happening in the Philippines. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah. So water level is rising. Yeah guys, so this is rising quite quickly now. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Wow, did you guys hear that? That lightning was pretty close. That was pretty bad. That's scary. But the floodwaters I'm concerned about now are rising again. That is coming in, that's it.
Huh?
Come on, we gotta get over here.
Go na.
No, you hold it, Leo. I'm right anyway.
The bag.
Oh.
Our clothes are in there. Oh. Careful. I have no slippers. Ow. Yeah. Hala.
How do you get rid of it?
Come here.
Watch the satchel.
It's up.
Guys, it's crazy. Never seen anything like it. Never experienced anything like it.
Good thing is there is still daytime.
We're evacuating from the church.
To! Oo, ano di ang itom naman ito nga surudlan? Ato sa lamisa?
Ano?
Ang itom nga surudlan? Oo to! Grabe ya, dalom kaya to ya. Gani, sulog-sulog. Alam, baka to ay. Ah. Lagi nyo itong sulog-sulog na doy. Grabe, diragi na sulog. Oh. Hala, sulog-sulog man to. Galala ka na sa bag. Hala, si Lula, gali. Sa simbahan ka mo?
Sa ilalim ko rin nanay, Marina.
Sa simbahan kami tanan makadto. Aray! Ah. And good thing my...
So guys, it's absolute chaos. Our house is flooded. My father-in-law's house is flooded. My Lola's house is flooded. And some of the neighbours are flooded as well. And yeah, we're being evacuated. So that's all I can say. I'll see you later, I guess. So guys, we've been evacuated to the Barangay Centre. The first responders, they were quite quick in arriving here, and they took us in their van, loaded up all our stuff, and we're here now and we're getting registered. And yeah, I don't really know what's going to happen next. The house is ruined, you know, so it was rising very quickly. Last time we left, it was up to here literally. So yeah, I just don't know, but just gotta take it in a stride, guys. One of the first responders said to me, "This is the Philippines, just enjoy it. This is what happens in the Philippines." So yeah, look at the kids there playing basketball. And also look, we have a cow and its calf have also been evacuated here. And they're as wet as me. I'm soaked, they're soaked. But yeah, so we'll see what happens for the rest of today and take it from there. So all my slip-on slippers are nowhere to be seen. I'm in my boots, which have been soaked, and I made sure to pack my shoes, but there's no point in wearing them until they get cleaned up. And yeah, see, take it from there. But we're just getting registered right here, so we are. Yeah, guys, I don't know what is happening at the moment, but I know we're still here in the Barangay Hall, and it could be possible that this is going to be our room for tonight. I don't know, but our stuff is placed outside it, so that might be where we're staying. So it seems the rain has stopped for the time being, which is good. And there's quite a few people gathered down below me, down underneath this terrace. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, interesting experience. And Filipinos are very casual about it. They just laugh about it and just get on with it. So it's a good mindset to have, and just focus on getting on with it and seeing what happens. Thank you to the barangay officials who were able to prepare dinner for us. It was very much appreciated. So guys, I'm very thankful. We've just received a care package from the officials as well, which is very nice of them. So they're out and about and they've been helping us all day, and I think it's just nice to receive something like that. Yeah. So when I first started vlogging this morning, when I first started this vlog this afternoon or this morning, I can't remember what time it was, but I had no idea what was going to happen. As far as I was concerned, like, it was just going to be like last time, where it didn't actually flood. We thought it might last time, but it didn't, and we thought the same was going to happen this time as well. But unfortunately, we are flooded, and last I heard, the water levels are still quite high. So we are thankful for shelter. We're thankful for other people as well helping us, and we're thankful that we've been given a care package, and we're still thankful to God, even though because we're safe. That's the main thing. Everyone here is safe, and yeah, guys. So it's been quite an adventure, and we will stay tonight in this hall, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. If the water has subsided, who knows? But yeah, so what a day, what an adventure. Yeah, this is just a raw vlog, no fancy edits to this vlog, just us, just our life, just being affected by this typhoon. And it was strange, guys, because the typhoon was further north and up in Luzon. That's where I heard it was hitting. So we weren't expecting something like this to happen here, but it did. So yeah, but you can hear that rain. That's been on and off all day like that. Well, guys, I did have a nice electric fan working behind me, and the TV was on over there, and then it started raining very heavy again, and we now have a brownout again, so who knows how long that will last for. So it's certainly an adventure, guys. It's certainly an adventure. What a day it's been. That's all I can say. If you didn't laugh, you would cry, definitely. So just gotta laugh and stay safe and hope for the best. I know this video quality isn't great, but I'm just loving the experience. So yeah. Aww. He's very happy, very enthusiastic about running about.